Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are uh, going to draw question number 14. Uh, the given instructions are that we have to draw the quarter of this part, and then after using mirror we have to complete it. Okay, we don't have just to draw a line and then sweep. First of all, we are gonna draw the quarter, and then using mirror command we are gonna complete it. Okay, so here we will practice 3D drawing as well, 3D sketch, and as well as uh, configuration managers. Okay, so front plane, edit sketch. First of all, we are gonna 2D sketch is equal assigning global variables is equal to d. Okay, what is the value of d? 1. Okay, now right plane, exit, right plane. Okay, first of all go to sketch, 3D sketch, right plane, and normal too. Okay, now we are drawing 3D sketch. First of all click here, and where is the center? Okay, this is the center. Now click here, and this is the axis. So um, okay, now we are gonna change our axis in other direction. So how we will change that? What we have to do is just click tab and see axis change. So now we can draw in that direction. Line, okay. Fillet, it's 1 mm. 1 mm. Okay, now fillet is done. So is equal to work assigning global variables t dot 1, and it's sorry, from here to here. Okay, it's 3 t dot 3. Okay, global variable is not assigned here as there is no sign of summation. So again is equal to t dot 3. Now global variable is assigned, and is equal to t because it's the global variable's name. So it's sorry, it's 4, not 3, it's 4. Again click here, and here is equal to t dot 8 is equal to is equal. Okay, now our sketch is complete. Now we have to go to sweep and make it. Okay, feature, sweep, profile, and path, and okay. Now go to feature, and we have to complete that. all using mirror commands. So this is sweep the all selected about which we have to mirror face plane is this. So go. Okay, again mirror. Okay, features to mirror one and plane. Okay, we're going to select this. Sorry, Control C. Okay, first of all we are gonna mirror this mirror feature plane. Let's start front plane. Start by front plane. Okay, front plane. Okay, now feature. Sorry, mirror again. Select this. Okay, here we go. See, we have completed using two mirror commands. Now what we have to do is that what was the purpose of configuration manager is that uh, by changing just the value of d we can change the whole dimensions. Let's see how. Equations. See, this is the d and all the values are being multiplied by d. Okay, if I change the okay, first of all change the configurations. Okay, I don't change the configuration, I just show you how it works. Tools, equations, and let's make it 2. Okay, 2. See, the object will be enlarged 2 times. See, it's 2 times enlarged. Now if I gonna reduce its size, see how it will work. Tool, equations, and just change, make it 1. Okay, see, it's the size of hole is reduced. We can also make configuration by going there and adding new add configurations. Let's say second configurations. Okay, now tools, equations, to these configurations. Okay, see, our first configuration is with d1 and second configuration is with d2. That's all. These were the conditions given in the problem. Thank you very much.